Boom! What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the video. Ab workout coming at you in the snow. Yeah, in the snow. We are in Texas. Gyms are shut down. So with that said, before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching me, make sure you subscribe. I have many other videos on the topic targeting abs and how to directly hit that rib flare, as well as other videos on my channel to take you to the next level that you do not need to miss out on. Alright, you guys, you already know we're gonna start off this workout with leg raises. Shout out to Frank Zane. After this video, go watch that video where I break down what Frank Zane, one of the best bodybuilders of all time, says the best exercises for abs are. So key thing on these leg raises, guys, you want to be keeping a slow and steady pace, and you do not want to let your legs drop. And at the top, you want to make sure your lower back is coming off the ground each and every time. With these mountain climbers, you really have to drive, and you're pulling your knees all the way up as high as you can. Plank to push-ups, really training that core and stability, guys. You do not want to have your ribs flaring, or in other words, your ribs hanging out and your stomach dropped. You want to have your stomach contracted. Bicycle is one of my favorite all-time exercises, guys. With these, it's really important that you're getting your shoulder blades up off the floor. You can see each rep that I do, I'm meeting my elbow to my knee, and I'm extending and lifting my shoulder blades off of the floor, and that's exactly what you want to be doing. This way your abs are always contracted throughout the entirety of the exercise. So for the end, we just burned up. I just did as many sit-ups as I could. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like the video. Cars are driving by. Fuck those cars. You see me with my lights set up out here? Look at my lights set up, guys. They're probably like, what the fuck is this guy doing shirtless? What you looking at? Are they looking over here? Yeah, they're looking over here. Because there's something to look at. I'm a fool, guys. Alright, let's take a thumbnail now. Let's take one for the thumbnail.